Right, while we were under here, we noticed just inside here, if you look inside here, you can see the grease on the body of the car, yeah? And if you look here, the clip is missing, yeah? That's why you got grease here. All the grease, you're losing the grease out of here. This is your CV joint, your inner one, yeah, and this is your outer one just here. This is it connected to the end of the wheel, yeah. If you discover you have a problem like that, all you need is cable tie like that, wrap it around it, cable tie, zip tie, wherever you're from, wherever you call it, same difference. Get that around there. This one, it's a bit awkward to get it on there. That's what she said. Get my old bloody head in it. You can see what's going on. She said. If you can't get it on, just bring it back to where you can. Just catch it. Don't lock it up. Once you catch it, hold the hand. I'm making a pig's ear of this, ain't I? Right. There we go. I think. Right. Just through. Catch it. There you go. Put it over it. And tighten it. I'm gonna use our side cutters just to tighten it. Basically, you know what you're doing now, yeah? Layer.